Hey friends, today we are changing out this Moen faucet. The handle broke here finally, so we're replacing it. We have a new, we're going with a new handle here, a new outside part. We got this off of Amazon, I think for around 30 bucks, so I'll link that in the description below. We're just going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, an Allen key, and then there's the parts that they have. So we're going to take this old one off and show you how to do that. And for this we just need a flathead screwdriver. I thought it was all Phillips head. We need one flathead for this one apparently. Alright, flathead it is. So just kind of hold that in place and then unscrew this. Screws kind of long, so not too long though. So I'll show you what happened. This is the bottom part. It's just plastic, and so it has like an inner part here that catches on this part here, and that the plastic in here broke, and so it wasn't catching on there to turn. So this is probably 20 years old, so we are replacing it with a handle that hopefully will last another 20 years. We can pull this out. Now the other one is Phillips head screwdriver. Just going to unscrew these. Long. Already I might be seeing an issue here. This other one doesn't look like the screws are this far apart. But we'll find out how it works. Come on. Good night. These ones are super long. Okay, that's that. Alright, so this goes on there. That was our little piece there. Okay, I'm hoping that... Oh, I probably need some pliers to grab onto that part. 1 second. Alright, so this, I believe, needs to be, let's see, it should be, I guess it just keeps turning, so these should be possibly down. One way or the other, is whatever way I put it, it's going to be cold or whatever. So now we can, I'm hoping that this goes on there, that it lines up with the holes there. It looks like it probably does. I'm hoping that it does. So what we got next is, open up this little bag here. Okay. And this should go on right over the top. Why does that appear to be bigger? This one is a lot smaller. Fits on there. I'm telling you, I have the wrong part here. Okay, it looks similar. That's great. Well, we're going to try to get on there anyway, so see if we can't push this through here. Right, something like that, I'm guessing. Screws going here. I was hoping that's larger because those are going to fit in there. So, let's see if we can't line up our screws. That's even going to be a thing. Come on. So basically, try to push this through here. I guess I'll like push that through a little more. Try to get these from the side. You can see the screw from here, and then get it going. Be a little easier maybe, and to try to just push them through that other angle there. But okay, got one going. We'll get the other one in there. Hopefully this is the correct thing. I'm having my doubts though that it's perhaps it's a little off. Hoping not, but so this is 20 years old and it looks like those might be off a little bit. Not sound like it's it's always something, right? It's always got to be something here. Nothing can go in smoothly ever all the time, right? It's always got to fight everything. That's not going in correctly. Okay, so I mean, what is the problem here? So this is a Moen, but now that looks like my screws are off. You know, I don't know. I just have some awesome luck here. It really looks like this is going to fit on there now. Or what? So this should go. Well, I can't get that screwed on there. It's nothing's going to fit here, so. Just looks like this one's off. I'll let so I'll mess with it here. Okay. Try this one again here. It looks like this is just a little bit. Looking like it's a little bit off. So these are too far apart. Well, I wonder if we can get it to go anyways. Alright, enough of this drama. I'll let you guys know when it's in there.
All right, so it did kind of go on there, so looks pretty good there. Okay, so next step is this goes in there. All right. And then this goes in there. Like that. And then this one goes in there. Over that. Looks like that's too far out there to just go on there. So, all right, yeah. So I have this. I guess it's a little different model. Maybe this one's, like I said, 20 years old. I thought I ordered the right one. It's working. I mean, this is on there, and so we're just gonna put this on there. It says to put this this one as well, but it's a different setup in there, and it's not gonna work out if I put that on there. It's just not going to reach. So apparently that flange in there or whatever, the valve is supposed to be in there more, and then these can both go in there, but it's not working for this one, so I'm just going to put this one on there. So we're going to go, this goes upside down, this goes on first, and this actually fits on there. So like I said, upside down, this goes upside down, and that should put this at an angle a little bit. So they're going to go on there one way really, so they want this kind of at an angle like that. Alright, so this is a 7/16 3/16 Allen key. For some reason my Husky Allen keys, we don't have a 7/16 everything but no metric. And so anyways, I believe this is 7/16. I had to get one of my old Allen key sets, and so we have this one, put that white one underneath there, put this one on top. Now this slides in, there's a groove right here, and that fits onto this groove here, and we're going to slide that onto there. It should just go up on there, and screw goes up underneath there in the hole. Should just tighten that on there. I think, are we even engaged? I don't know. Possibly not. Actually, we had it on there, so. Okay, my fault. I'm instilling great confidence in you as you watch this video. Okay, had that right. There's just a screw goes on there first to hold this in place. So that's what I've got. Screw this on there, and that. Okay. Now we can put this on there. So this is gonna face on there like that, and then this screws up underneath there. Okay, so this is, at least it's a little bit stronger than the other one we had on there. This is plastic as well, but it just seemed to be a little beefier. So let's set some Loctite on there. So hopefully this will hold on there pretty good. Okay, so now I thought you could just turn the handle and it would turn on, but apparently you just pull out a little bit. I think with the other valve, I think with the system, the newer one probably that goes with this, you would just turn it and it would turn on. But this one, we're going to have to pull it out to whatever thing you want. And then cold is here, and obviously hot is here. If it's not, with this valve system I have on this one, it is an older Moen one, so like I said, about 20 years old. So if it's cold where the hot is and hot where the cold is, just take your valve stem or whatever, grab your pliers and just flip that over 180 degrees, and that way when you turn it, it should be cold and then this should be hot. So not a perfect install because it was a little bit different piece. Apparently this is supposed to go in there and it was supposed to be a longer stem or something like that. But I thought when I ordered it, it was the same one. It's still a Moen, and for that reason it fits good enough. So we're going to go with good enough. It looks like it's on there pretty good, kind of snug. It's not bending or anything like that other one. That other plate, this one I put on there was bending here and just looked kind of a little hinky. So there we go. I'll link this one in the description below if you guys want to check it out. It's on Amazon. And yeah, sorry that took so long. It just seems whenever I do something, there's always something that goes wrong. But that's why I do the whole video, to show you, because I'm sure I'm not the only one that runs into problems. Like, you think you order the right thing. It looked exactly like the stem I had. The same setup. I mean, it is Moen, so just an older version, and maybe they don't make those anymore to accommodate, but I didn't want to redo all my stuff back there, because I was thinking about it, but then I had to knock out the back wall, or cut out some sheetrock and do all that. Cut my pipes, maybe run some PEX or something. That's a little more than I wanted to do for just getting the water handle replaced. So this is on there a little bit more snug anyways, and it looks a little nicer. So hopefully this one will hold up. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, anything like that, put them down in the comment section, and I will try to respond as quick as I can. Thanks so much for watching this video and for hanging out there with me. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.